Hello students, this is Lipudani. Today I will teach you linear differential equation and non-linear differential equation. These are the topics of first order differential equation, right? So first of all, we will see linear differential equation. The standard form of a linear differential equation is dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. This is the standard form of linear differential equation where p of x and q of x are function of x or constants. Its solution is given by y into if, that is equals to integration q of x into if dx plus c, where if is an integrating factor and that is given by the formula e raised to integration p of x dx. The standard form of the differential equation is dx by dy plus p of y into x, that is equals to q of y, where p of y and q of y are function of y or constants. Then the solution is given by x into if, that is equals to integration q of y into if dy plus c. In this case, if is e raised to integration p of y dy, right? Now we will take examples. Example number 1, we have to solve this differential equation, that is dy by dx plus y equals to x. So first of all, what we will do, we will compare this differential equation with the standard form of linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. So by comparison, we have p of x equals to 1 and q of x equals to x. So first of all, we will find out if, that is integrating factor, that is equals to e raised to integration px dx, and this is equals to e raised to integration p of x. P of x is 1 dx. Now integration of 1 with respect to x, answer is x. So if is e raised to x. Now the required solution is y into if equals to integration q of x into if dx plus c. Y as it is multiplied by if is e raised to x, that is equals to integration q of x, that is equals to x, and if is e raised to x dx plus c. Now you have to find out the integration of x e raised to x dx. You can apply the formula of Bernoulli or the formula of integrating by parts. If you will integrate x e raised to x with respect to x, you will get x e raised to x minus e raised to x. I will explain you how with the help of Bernoulli formula. So for Bernoulli formula, what you have to do, you have to put down this x as it is, and derivative of x is 1. Then after you have to integrate e raised to x. So integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Then after again you have to integrate this e raised to x, and you have to put down that integration over here. So integration of e raised to x is e raised to x, and then after write down alternate formulas. So plus sign over here and over here minus sign, and this plus c as it is. So this is the required solution of given linear differential equation, right? Now we will take second example, that is x plus 1 into dy by dx minus y equals to e raised to 3x into x plus 1 the whole square. Now you can see that this problem is not in the standard form. So to convert this into the standard form, what we have to do, we have to divide this differential equation by the coefficient of dy by dx, that is x plus 1. So dividing this equation by x plus 1, So we have dy by dx minus 1 over x plus 1 into y, that is equals to e raised to 3x, and 1 time x plus 1 will cancel out. So it will become e raised to 3x into x plus 1. Okay. Now this is in standard form. So now we will compare this with the standard form, that is dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. So by comparison we have p of x is minus 1 over x plus 1 and q of x is a raised to 3x into bracket x plus 1. So first of all we will find out if, that is equals to e raised to integration px dx. So e as it is, integration p of x is minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. Now integration of 1 over x plus 1 is logarithm of x plus 1, and this minus sign is as it is. Now applying the properties of logarithm, it will become e raised to log x plus 1 the whole raised to minus 1. Again, applying the properties of logarithm, e raised to log x plus 1 the whole raised to minus 1 will become x plus 1 the whole raised to minus 1, because e raised to log y to base e, the result is y. So it is x plus 1 the whole raised to minus 1, and x plus 1 the whole raised to minus 1, that is equals to 1 over x plus 1. So if is 1 over x plus 1. Now the solution is y into if equals to integration q of x into if dx plus c. So y as it is, and if is 1 over x plus 1 equals to integration q of x is e raised to 3x into x plus 1, and if is 1 over x plus 1. So x plus 1 will cancel out. So it will become integration e raised to 3x only. And integration of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x divided by 3, and y over x plus 1 as it is. So the required solution is y over x plus 1 equals to e raised to 3x by 3 plus c. Okay, now we will take example number 3. We have to solve this differential equation, that is 1 plus y square dx by dy equals to tan inverse y minus x. So dividing this differential equation by 1 plus y square, so in the left hand side we have dx by dy equals to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square minus x over 1 plus y square. Now taking this term towards left hand side, we have dx by dy plus 1 over 1 plus y square into x, that is equals to tan inverse y over 1 plus y square. Now comparing it with the standard form, that is dx by dy plus p of y into x equals to q of y. So we have p of y equals to 1 over 1 plus y square, and q of y is tan inverse y over 1 plus y square. Now if is e raised to integration p of y dy, and this is equals to e raised to integration p of y is 1 over 1 plus y square dy. Now integration of 1 over 1 plus y square, answer is tan inverse y, so it will become e raised to tan inverse y. Now the required solution is x into if, that is equals to integration qy into if dy plus c. X as it is, and if is e raised to tan inverse y, that is equals to integration, and q of y is tan inverse y over 1 plus y square, and if is e raised to tan inverse y dy plus c. Now we have to integrate this function, right? So let tan inverse y equals to t. Therefore, derivative of tan inverse y is 1 over 1 plus y square dy, that is equals to dt. So x into e raised to tan inverse y as it is, and this is equals to tan inverse y, replacing tan inverse y by t, and e raised to, replacing tan inverse y by t, so it will become e raised to t, and 1 over 1 plus y square dy is dt, so replacing 1 over 1 plus y square dy by dt and plus c as it is. Now again we have to integrate this function, that is t e raised to t with respect to t. You can integrate this function using Bernoulli formula or by integrating parts, right? So integration of t e raised to t, that is nothing but t into e raised to t minus e raised to t. So taking e raised to t common, it will become t minus 1 into e raised to t plus c as it is, right? Now replacing t by tan inverse y. So this is tan inverse y minus 1 and e raised to tan inverse y plus c as it is. So this is the required solution. X into e raised to tan inverse y equals to tan inverse y minus 1 into e raised to tan inverse y plus c. Now we will discuss non-linear differential equation reducible to linear form. So we have two types. Type 1 is Bernoulli's equation. The equation of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q into y raised to n. See the difference, right? Dy by dx plus py equals to q into y raised to n, where p and q are function of x or constant. This is a non-linear equation and it is known as Bernoulli's equation. This equation can be made linear using following method. So what we have to do, we have to divide this differential equation by y raised to n. So dividing by y raised to n, we have 1 over y raised to n dy by dx plus p over y raised to n minus 1, because y raised to 1 over y raised to n, it will become 1 over y raised to n minus 1, and that is equals to q, so y raised to n will cancel out. Now let 1 over y raised to n minus 1 equals to v. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiating 1 over y raised to n minus 1 with respect to x, it will become 1 minus n over y raised to n, and y is a function of x. So again we have to differentiate y with respect to x, so it will become dy by dx. You have to write down 1 over y raised to n minus 1 as y raised to 1 minus n. Now applying the formula of derivative of y raised to n, that is n into y raised to n minus 1. So it will become 1 minus n into y raised to 1 minus n minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out, so it will become y raised to minus n. So writing it as 1 minus n over y raised to n. And y is a function of x. So again we have to differentiate y with respect to x. So it will become dy by dx, and that is equals to dv by dx, right? So 1 over y raised to n. From here we have 1 over y raised to n into dy by dx, that is equals to 1 over 1 minus n into dv by dx. So the given equation will be 1 over 1 minus n dv by dx, right? Replacing 1 over y raised to n dy by dx by 1 over 1 minus n dv by dx. So it will become 1 over 1 minus n dv by dx plus this one p as it is, and 1 over y raised to n minus 1 is v, p as it is, and 1 over y minus 1 over y raised to n minus 1 is v, and this q as it is, right? This q as it is. Now multiplying this differential equation by 1 minus n, so it will become dv by dx plus 1 minus n into p into v equals to 1 minus n into q. Now you can see that this is a linear differential equation in v, right? And it can be solved using the method of linear differential equation as discussed earlier, right? Now example number 1, we have to solve dy by dx plus 2y over x equals to y square into x square. This equation is in Bernoulli's form. So we have to divide the given equation by y square. Now dividing the given equation by y square, it will become 1 over y square dy by dx plus y one time will cancel out, 1 over y into 2 by x, and over here y square will cancel out, so we have x square, right? Now let 1 over y equals to v. Now differentiate 1 over y equals to v with respect to x. So in the left hand side, derivative of 1 upon y will become minus 1 upon y square, and y is a function of x, so it will become dy by dx, and derivative of v is dv by dx. So the given equation will be 1 upon y square dy by dx, it will become minus dv by dx, and this 2 by x as it is, and 1 upon y is v, and this is equals to x square. Now multiply this equation by minus sign, so we have dv by dx minus 2 by xv equals to minus x square. Now this is linear in v, so by comparison we have p equals to minus 2 by x and q equals to minus x square. So if is e raised to integration px dx, and p of x is minus 2 by x dx. Now integration of 1 by x is log x, and this minus 2 as it is, so it becomes e raised to minus 2 log x. Now applying the properties of logarithm, it will become e raised to log x raised to minus 2. Again applying the property of logarithm, that is e raised to log y to base e, answer is y. So it will become x raised to minus 2, and x raised to minus 2 is 1 upon x square. So this is the IF integrating factor. Now the required solution is v into IF equals to integration q into IF dx plus c. V as it is, IF is 1 upon x square, integration q is minus x square, right? Q is minus x square, and IF is 1 upon x square dx plus c. So x square will cancel out, and integration of 1 with respect to x, answer is x, minus sign as it is, plus c as it is, and v over x square as it is. So v equals to multiplying the whole equation by x square. So on the left hand side x square will cancel out. So we have v equals to minus x cube plus cx square. Now replace v by 1 upon y. So the required solution is 1 upon y equals to minus x cube plus cx square. Okay. Now taking second example, we have to solve the differential equation dy by dx plus y by x equals to y square upon x square. Now this is of the type 1 nonlinear differential equation. So dividing this equation by y square, so it will become 1 over y square dy by dx, y raised to 1, and dividing by y raised to 2, so it will become 1 over y, and 1 over x as it is, and that is equals to 1 over x square. Y square will cancel out. Now let 1 upon y equals to v. Differentiating this equation with respect to x, it will become minus 1 upon y square dy by dx equals to dv by dx. So 1 upon y square dy by dx, that is minus dv by dx. So replacing 1 upon y square dy by dx by minus dv by dx plus 1 upon x as it is, replacing 1 upon y by v, and this 1 upon x square as it is. Now multiplying this equation by minus sign, we have dv by dx minus 1 upon x into v equals to minus 1 upon x square. Now this equation is linear in v. So by comparison, we have p of x equals to minus 1 upon x, and q of x is minus 1 upon x square. Now if is e raised to integration p of x dx. P of x is minus 1 upon x dx. Now integration of 1 upon x is log x. So e raised to minus log x, it will become e raised to log x raised to minus 1, and e raised to log x raised to minus 1 will become x raised to minus 1. We have applied the properties of logarithm, right? And x raised to minus 1 is 1 upon x. Now the solution is v into if equals to integration q into if dx plus c, replacing v by 1 upon y. If is 1 upon x, integration q is minus 1 upon x square, and if is 1 upon x dx plus c. So the left hand side, that will be as it is, and 1 upon x square into 1 upon x, it will become 1 upon x cube. So writing 1 upon x cube as x raised to minus 3, and integration of x raised to minus 3 is x raised to minus 2 by minus 2. Minus sign will cancel out, right? So it will become 1 upon 2x square plus c. Now multiplying this whole equation by x, we have 1 upon y, that is equals to 1 upon 2x plus cx, and this is the required solution. Okay, now we have type 2 of nonlinear differential equation. The equation of the form f dash y dy by dx plus p into f of y equals to q where p and q are function of x or constant, it can be reduced to linear form by putting function of y equals to v. If function of y equals to v, then f dash y dy by dx will become dv by dx. So replacing f dash y dy by dx by dv by dx plus v as it is, and f of y by v and q as it is, it will become linear, right? And this can be solved using the method of linear differential equation. Now we will take one example. That is example number 1. We have to solve this differential equation, that is dy by dx plus 1 over x equals to e raised to y over x square. So first of all, we will divide the given equation by e raised to y. So it will become e raised to minus y dy by dx plus e raised to minus y into 1 upon x equals to e raised to y will cancel out. It will become 1 over x square, right? Now let e raised to minus y equals to v. Now differentiate e raised to minus y equals to v with respect to x. So derivative of e raised to minus y is e raised to minus y, and again derivative of minus y, it is minus dy by dx, and that is equals to dv by dx. So e raised to minus y dy by dx, that is equals to minus dv by dx. Now we will put these values in equation 1. E raised to minus y dy by dx is minus dv by dx. E raised to minus y dy by dx is minus dv by dx. So this is minus dv by dx. Then after 1 upon x as it is, and e raised to minus y is v. And the right hand side 1 upon x square is also as it is, right? Now multiplying this equation by a minus sign, we have dv by dx minus 1 upon x into v equals to minus 1 upon x square. Now this is linear in v, and by comparison we have p equals to minus 1 upon x and q equals to minus 1 upon x square. Now if is e raised to integration p of x dx, and p of x is minus 1 upon x, and integration of 1 upon x is log x minus sign as it is. Now applying the property of logarithm, it will become e raised to log x raised to minus 1. Again applying the property of logarithm, it will become x raised to minus 1, and x raised to minus 1 is 1 upon x. Now the required solution is v into if equals to integration q into if dx plus c. V is e raised to minus 1, if is 1 upon x, integration q is minus 1 upon x square, if is 1 upon x dx plus c. Now 1 upon x square into 1 upon x, it will become 1 upon x cube, and you can write down 1 upon x cube as x raised to minus 3. Then after integration of x raised to minus 3 will become x raised to minus 2 by minus 2, and this minus sign as it is. So minus minus plus, so it will become 1 over 2x square plus c. Now multiplying this equation by x, so in the left hand side we have e raised to minus 1, that is equals to 1 time x will cancel out, so it will become 1 over 2x plus cx. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching this video.